Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the type of plastic extrusion process. In previous video we have discussed the extrusion process. So I'll quickly recap here what is extrusion process. So extrusion process actually divided into different section. We generally call it as a extrusion line, like the feeding sections where the extruder inject the material and then the die form the shape, and then we cool with the cooling unit. We will cool the part, and after that we'll pull that continuous section, and then we require with the required length we cut the material. So this extrusion process is a continuous process. We can continuously get the product. So it is high volume manufacturing process. So there are different types of extrusion processes are there. So like tubing or pipe extrusion, sheet, blow film, profile extrusion, over jacketing or wire coating extrusion, palletings, and foam extrusion and co-extrusion. So in tubes or pipe extrusion, we generally get the pipes, these types of tubes, and you can see these types of tubes also we use in the agriculture, and so this is the die we use generally from feeding section, and we have one die pin is there which is to form the internal hollow portion. So this die is used, and we'll get the this type of product continuously like pipes and tubes. And in sheet and film extrusion, so we'll get the plastic sheet laminated. You can see here like this type of plastic sheets we get, and this T type die we use generally to form the such type of sheets. And in blow film extrusion, like plastic sheet but very thin, and in this process actually we use the air, and we blow the tubes here, and this portion I'll highlight here with the highlighter. So from here the air is we are passing the air, and it will form here blow tubes, and from this side there is an plastic thin layer of the plastic, and we will get the and we'll merge here with the roller. We combine here, and we'll collect here all the sheet. Okay, film, or we can say film, because it is very thin. That's why we are saying film. So plastic film we are collecting here, we are rolling here, and this type of plastic film will get we generally use in the agriculture and packaging food. Then the wire coating extrusion, you can see this is the die we use. So generally to is coating for the wire, act as a insulator. So plastics is a good insulator. So yeah, that's why this process is used. So we can form the multiple layers to protect the uh, means to act as a insulator. And the profile extrusion, so this process is widely used to manufacture the section, means continuous section, but here the complex section we produce. So the for the complex profile, or the for the complex section we use the profile extrusion. So here we can see the foam extrusion also. So the foam extrusion, so like a foam continuous profile we can manufacture. And stand pelletizing is also there. So pallets are generally used for different manufacturing processes. So these pallets used for injection molding, blow molding, yeah, rotational molding also we will use. So in pellets are just generally the solid section come out from the extruder and we'll cut into small pieces. So those pallets we use for different manufacturing processes. So this is a general guidelines for the section, or you can say for the uh, continuous section or the final product. So we need the constant thickness, okay, for the part for in flame sheet pipes. So for that we need to provide the uniform flow rate material and maintain the uniform melt temperature and produce the melt that has the same shear history for all the part. So friend, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.